Hello everybody, my name is Abdullah and today I'm going to be showing you the Python Matplotlib library. And in this library, I'm going to be plotting different line graphs and bar graphs, and I'm going to be changing their colors and their width. So over here, as you see, I did import NumPy because the NumPy, the pandas library, because we're going to be using pandas here, and import Matplotlib. And over here I used pandas PD because we wanted to print this graph, and I'm going to be showing and if you didn't see my previous video, in my previous video I explained all of this pd.read and csv. Over here there's just a link for one of them because so let me show you. This is a data handler. So yeah, I'm gonna put in the link in the description because if you don't understand, just you can use that. So over here I printed this, and over here here's the data handler. Over here year, month, tmax, tmin, range. This is completely a random one. So over here, as you see, to print the Matplotlib graph like this, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna remove this quick. Don't see. Don't worry. And now over here. And now as you see, wait, let me run it again. Perfect. Now as you see, this is the line graph, and as you see, every line graph has, before you even understand, just you can see the line graph. But over here, this graph has a y-axis that is going over here, and an x-axis that is going over at the bottom here. So now over here, now as you see, I put y is tmax. So y is tmax. And x is month, so x is over here month. Now what does that mean? Tmax means, what's the max one here? 28.3. So you can say tmax, the highest tmax is gonna be 28.3, and the highest month is gonna be 12. So as you see those numbers over here, the same over here. X is still 12 months, stops still there, and y is still 28.3, which stops still there. So now here's a line graph that it makes pretty nicely actually, which I was impressed. It's pretty cool, just by writing this one line. And over here, as you see, there's tmax and month. So tmax, the color of this, which they also did that, and they also named month. So this is the line graph. Over here you can make double line graphs. Let me erase that. So how to make double line graphs? As you see, y, because we can't make double x. So over here, y, I just made that into a list and added another one, which is tmin, another like value from here, which is tmin, and made them in a list. So tmax and tmin. And I'll run this. As you see, these are the same colors for the from like our original colors which Jupyter uses. So I can like change the color, but this color is just the color that they choose. So over here, tmax over here, which is blue, and tmin, which is that, and month is still the same. Now how do you print bar graphs? Bar graphs, what you do is, instead of weather.plot in the starting, you add weather.plot.bar. What this does, as you see here, I'll run this. This adds a bar. This makes it a bar graph. Then over here, same tmax, tmin, just change the bar. And over here, there's the colors, original colors. I don't change anything. It's pretty cool because yeah. And now over here, do you ever wonder why can't it be this way? And so like horizontal bar graph. So we can also do this horizontal bar graph like this. I didn't make it double. You can make it double if you want. So what you do is you just add an H in the end. So if I add an H, rerun over here. See? Same. So over here you just have to add an H and you get it. And now how do you change color? So what you do over here, you press color, you see color, and then you have to remember to add a comma, and then you have to in inverted brackets you have to write whatever color you want. This is already blue, so let's do red. Red is a nice color. Over here, red. It's now red. Let's change to another color. Change to blue. No, not blue. That was the same. Let's do green. Yeah, green is a good color too. Wait. Let's test this. Does it have like pink or something? Pink is a pretty hard color. Oh, it has pink. Okay, nice. And now let's see. Let's see. Does it have magenta? Oh, it does have magenta. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, that's cool. So let's keep it at red for now. And now you can change color for double bar graph too. I don't suggest changing color for double bar graph because it becomes harder. Why does it become harder? Because you can't singular out the color, so both of them become red, and then it's pretty hard to see which one's T-min or which one's T-max. And now we can also change the color for this one. Let me remove one of them first to make a single bar graph. Perfect. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color. And perfect. And let's change this to yellow. Yeah, we haven't changed it. We haven't changed anything to yellow. There we go. It's yellow now. But the thing that comes with bar graph, you cannot do this in line graph, is you can change the width in bar graph, which is pretty cool. And so over here, I'm gonna change the width. You don't because it's a number. You don't have to add this inverted brackets. So the size ranges from 0 to 1. So from 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0.9 to 1. So 1 is like the most, So if you write 9 and if you, so it's the same. So you can't write anything bigger than that. So let's start with 0.5. Oops, it's too many zeros. 0.5. I think it will be the same because I think, yep, that's the same. Let's start at 0.7. Let's see if the size increases. Yes, it did. The size did increase. Okay, that's nice. Let's do 0.2. Oh, it's so nice. Now let's try the largest size. Oh, yeah, you can't even see which one's which. So, yeah, so wait, let me try 0.9. Is there a space between? Let's see. And yes, there is a space. So if you want to see it big and you don't want them to join together, use 0.9. So thank you everybody for joining me in this graph, graph explaining section session. So for Python, thank you everybody. Bye bye.